Hello, good evening, and welcome to Africa Euro Breeze TV with your host in Benin City, Dede Saint. We are with a great personality here, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you so much. There's something that happened today on social media. A guy committed suicide because of his job. Can you commit suicide because of you losing your job?
Anyways, for me, I will not commit suicide for anything.
Yes, sir.
You talk about job, I won't commit suicide. If I start my own story, if I start to tell you about my own story, my own journey, you will not believe. I've never arrived. I've not arrived, but I thank God today. I'm going slowly because I know that with God all things are possible. So there is no way I will commit suicide based on things I lost. I cannot commit suicide for any reason. See me here after years of serving my uncle. Then he told me my business was going well. At the end of the day, I lost everything. So I'm still here, hoping that tomorrow will be greater. So then I do other works. I even push wheelbarrow in order to survive. My mom was there praying for me. As you can see, I say I wanted to enter church before you stopped me. So there's nothing, no amount of anything I will lose that will make me to commit suicide. The more I lose things, the more God make me to be stronger. So that will not make me, nothing will make me to commit suicide. God will not allow that to happen to anybody who is thinking, is well thinking. So it's not good for anybody in any reason to commit suicide. When you commit suicide, then you call yourself a failure. So you don't need to answer that name, failure. You don't need to be a failure in this life because Christ is dead for us on cross of Calvary is not in vain. It's only when you kill yourself, then you say that all he has done is in vain. With little faith and little effort, you can do anything you wanted to do, be anything you wanted to be in life. So there's nothing worth it to commit suicide. Nothing.
Thank you for giving us your time.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening.
So we're asking a question. Something happened on social media today. That was how we are out today. A guy committed suicide because he lost his job. Can you commit suicide because you lost your present job?
No, I can't. Today I made a post and I said poverty committed suicide. Not really, I didn't say, but I had an inspiration to just make something like that. But I wrote poverty committed suicide because the blessings of God befalling people. But most times, most people, because of lack of reasoning, you can't just end your own life. This life, as far as there's also a good parable to make. If you look around the trees, you see that if a tree dies, the roots still grows up. So if tree can actually have life, why am I not to have no life to give? So, well, it's a story to say I'm sorry for his loss and to the families. And most of us, we need guidance and counselors because this is not actually just physical but spiritual too. And spiritual cases are actually meant to be bounded with spiritual and godly people who can be able to pull a lot of people out of this darkness. So I pray also for his life, and I pray for us to actually get the courage to actually see life in a better way.
Thank you so much. What you just say is so inspiring. Please, can you talk to the youth about this society? It's just trending.
My dear, the youth, I'm also a youth.
Yes, sir.
And we actually touch the part of being a youth. So I would say to everybody, life is one, is not two. the way you live it on earth, that's where the way you actually benefit at the end of it. So why not just live the hair, live life the way it ought to be, and forget about things. If things goes, it's not for you. What remains for you stays. And if your job or anybody has to let you go, let that person go, or let that particular thing go. Don't set yourself back, because a lot of things are actually setting us back, so that we would not actually get into the right light. So I thank you, and I want us to be.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, man.
Thank you much, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So know your name.
My name is Okay.
Okay, sir. Something happens today. A guy committed suicide because he lost his job. Will you commit suicide if you lost your job?
No way, I cannot commit suicide, because I have to become a hard-working man. Somebody that commits suicide for, with the use and the parable, say for Benin, say one way closed, another way open. You have to be strong, man, and do other things for you to know to continue your life. So if they say if they not drive person for John Holt, you know say work day another place. So that's what they be. The man when he commit suicide, God will ever punish a well for that side again.
Thank you, sir. Sir, what is the advice you have for the youth? Because it seems as if this one I want the rain now. It's not trending.
The advice to the youth, we have to be very, very strong, hard working. If you don't learn work, if you go school, you learn hard work.
Yes.
If you don't learn hard work, try go school, so that you feed your family for growth for future time.
Good evening, ma.
Sir, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Sir, I want to know your name.
I'm Francis Osamudiame Ogbebo.
Wow, thank you, sir. So there is something that happened today on social media. A guy committed suicide because he lost his job. Sir, will you commit suicide because you lost your job?
I will never do that. Well, no one knows what happened to that guy, why he committed suicide. I am not there, you are not there. We just saw it, or they just told us what happened to him. But for me, it is wrong for that guy to commit suicide, because there are still many days ahead of him. Even if you lost your job, that job is not the only job in the world. You have so many jobs. You can become a self-employed, a self-dependent. Not everything has to do with the government. You can be creative. You can do other things that will bring you out. Youth of these days, they rely on government. Government is not everything. You yourself can do better than the government. So what he did was wrong, and is so inimical. So I don't really know what happened to him, whether he really committed suicide or there's any other thing led to his suicide. It might not be his job, it might be other things, maybe other issues bothering him and all that. That led to that, what he did. So I don't really know. But what he did was wrong. In fact, really wrong.
Thank you so much, sir. So, but this thing now is becoming a trend in Nigeria, because it was not in Nigeria before. It was like in the Europe countries, in those other countries where things happen and you see youth committing suicide. What advice do you have for them?
For the youth?
Yes, sir.
For the youth, I would say they should not imitate the Western culture. You are an African child, you should behave like one. We Africans, we are strong and vibrant. And as strong and vibrant, we don't behave like the white men. Our own ways, our own cultures are different. We have traditions. Though sometimes the white people, they have traditions, but not that valued than the Africa. So as an African child, you shouldn't imitate what others are doing because they are committing suicide. Some will commit suicide because their girlfriend just left them and one the other. So all those things are wrong. If you are committing suicide, you are just killing yourself. If you commit suicide, the work will still go on, your girlfriend will still go, will still live. The job is there. Yes. So committing suicide is not the option. It's just for you to work harder. The areas that you have failed, if you are not being employed, you now know what to do next. Since the government did not favor you, then you yourself will bring yourself out. That will stand you in society. That's what I see.